Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Lego bricks are produced step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Temperature control is critical for the molten ABS. This precise heating ensures perfect color consistency and a flawless blend.
Every mold is engineered to tolerances less than the width of a human hair. Every Lego piece must meet strict standards before leaving our facility.
And that's how Lego bricks are produced, from start to finish.